So hey everyone, this is me Vishal and in this video we are gonna learn about isArray method in JavaScript. So let's start it. So basically if I tell you about isArray method in JavaScript, so it's basically if you wanna check that if a variable is array or like that. Like if there's a variable that has text hello, if you want to check if it's array or not like that. So let me just tell you in practical. So like if I make here, like let's just go and log. Okay, so if I just do here, so we just do here it like this array object which class which is already made. So we just do array and then the is array like that, and then we pass the argument which we want to check if it's array or not. Like if I do here hello, so if I just log here, so you can see it's false because string hello isn't array, but it can be used if we are just fetching data from somewhere, and if you want to check if the data has come in array or not. Like I'm not giving you that example, you can try it out, but I am just giving you these same means all data types. I'm gonna tell you that which data type is gonna work. Okay, if I just do a boolean and just do here undefined and then null and then this is our square brackets. So now it's your question that which will return true and which will return false. Comment on this video. Yeah, I'm telling you to comment because if you don't comment, how will you learn? Because there's only way we can communicate is by commenting. There's nothing will happen by just watching the videos. You need to comment. So if I just log it out, if you have commented, so let's see the answer. So you can see the hello string isn't array, it's obvious. The boolean isn't array, undefined isn't array, so null isn't array, and the one in square brackets is it's obviously array. So now I'm giving you one homework, not homework. I'm gonna give you a task. You need to comment and see if you were right or not. Like if I make here object like that, object here like this, and just do here to do, and just do here to do. So 10, like I can put to do's. I'm not gonna do this joke again. So I made it to do, and let me just put here second property to do completed. Now if I just do a false because to do isn't completed, I am making video, so video making isn't completed. So if I just log here object dot to do's. Okay, let me just wrap it around array.isArray because we are learning that thing, not object. So if I just do a object.todos and just do a object.todo completed. Now comment and let's see you were right. And this third thing, like these three. Now tell me their answer and comment, and so let's see if you were right or not. So you can see object.todos. If we just go here and see, it's object, not array. So what it will return is means false. If we just do here false, true, and then sorry, we are not checking here. You may have figured it out. You may have seen I was doing this mistake. So now let me tell you. So if we see object.todos is object, not array, so it's telling us obviously it's false. And then there's object.todos.todo. Okay, inside object there's array, not means inside, not todo isn't array, dot to do is array. So it's telling us that true, it's array obviously. And there's a third one that object.completed. Now this is a boolean, as I told you that boolean isn't an array. It's a checking if it's data type array or not. That's all. So that was all about isArray method in JavaScript. and that was all about it. And if you got value from this video, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like my video. And now it's your responsibility to just share this video on LinkedIn for support. So thank you.